Alright guys, hey guys, LechK here. Just a quick video to share with you what to do when your new setup of the Plunge Chill chiller is not pumping the water through the tub. So what you need to do is do everything like you're supposed to do the full setup. I have a separate video of that if you want to check it out. But now what you have to do in the initial first time use or after you clean your filter, prime the internal filter. So you're gonna disconnect the out hose, which is the top one that connects to the bottom. Make sure you turn off the valve so your water doesn't start spraying everywhere. I'm gonna disconnect this. Now you're just gonna turn it on and that should start pumping. Let it keep flowing, pumping through. So the filter over here basically, fills up with water and all that. So that should do it right now. So I'm gonna turn it back off. I'm gonna reconnect my hose. And now hopefully we have flow. So turn my chiller on. Let's check. Oops, I forgot about this one, guys. Got bubbles, it's a good sign. Alright, we have suction. And we do have water flow. So we are good. Now we just gotta give it time to chill. And that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. Check out my full video of the full setup and how it functions. More to come. Check out links below on my channel. Thank you guys.